Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. This is just going to be a video on how to make your subscriptions public so people can see when you subscribe to them. We're going to start off in Google and we're going to move over to YouTube. Now when you get to YouTube, you're going to want to go to the corner, the right top corner, and click on your profile and you're going to click settings. And when you get to settings, you're going to go to here where it says privacy. And you're going to see one that says keep all my saved playlists and keep all my subscriptions private. And what you are basically going to do is switch off the private subscriptions section so that your subscriptions are public. Because if your subscriptions are private, the person you subscribe to cannot see that you specifically subscribed. It just adds to their subscribers count. Now that you have your subscriptions on public, subscribe to your friends, subscribe to me, and let me see that you subscribed by having your subscriptions on public. Bye guys.